How to fix no notification sound in Narzo 70 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In setting, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on notifications. Now here you can turn on your apps notification. Now simply click on an app and then here you can allow your notification. After allow your app notifications, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.